This Ninja Pots and Pans Set Nonstick Comort-Grip 10-piece cookware set is a game-changer in the world of kitchen essentials. Known for its innovative Neverstick technology, this cookware promises eortless cooking, superior durability, and a hassle-free cleaning experience. With features like a lightweight aluminum base or even heat distribution, silicone comort-grip handles, and oven-safe functionality, Ninja has created a product designed to elevate everyday cooking. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook looking for convenience, this cookware set is designed to meet your needs. In this detailed review, we'll explore its features, usability, performance, and value or money, helping you decide whether it deserves a spot in your kitchen. Key features of the Ninja NeverStick Cookware. 1. Neverstick technology. Unlike traditional non-stick coatings that degrade over time, Ninja's Neverstick surface is engineered to last. Superheated at 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit, plasma ceramic particles bond to the pan, creating a textured surface that resists sticking, chipping, or laking. 2. Comort-grip handles. Silicone handles provide a secure, non-slip grip, staying cool even during prolonged stovetop use. This ergonomic design ensures comfort and safety while cooking. 3. Lightweight aluminum base. The 2.8mm aluminum base heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, eliminating hot spots or consistent cooking results. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction. 4. Oven-safe versatility. The cookware's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. Perect or recipes like skillet lasagna or oven-roasted chicken. 5. Dishwasher safe and easy cleanup. The glossy gray exterior and non-stick coating make cleaning a breeze. Dishwasher safe design ensures minimal eort in maintaining these pans. Performance. When it comes to performance, Ninja delivers on its promises. From rying eggs to simmering sauces, the non-stick surface ensures food slides effortlessly. Even cooking enthusiasts will appreciate how the pans retain heat, making it ideal for browning, sautéing, and searing. The Neverstick coating truly stands out in comparison to competitors. After rigorous testing, the surface remains intact, even after using metal utensils, that many non-stick pans fail to achieve. Usability. The cookware's design enhances usability in several ways. Lightweight construction. Easy to maneuver, even for individuals with limited wrist strength. Silicone handles. The cool touch non-slip handles are excellent grip, making cooking safer and more comfortable. Compact lids, designed to lock in lavers and moisture while fitting snugly onto pots and pans. Versatility. From stovetop to oven, Ninja Cookware handles it all. The set is suitable for various cooking techniques, including rying, boiling, sautéing, and baking. Its compatibility with gas, electric, induction, and glass ceramic cooktops adds to its versatility. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning is one of the standout features of this set. The non-stick surface requires minimal eort to clean, and stubborn residue wipes away with ease. For those who prefer low-maintenance cookware, the Dishwasher set design is a major plus. Pros and cons. Pros: durable Neverstick coating, comfortable silicone handles, even heat distribution. Oven and dishwasher safe, compatible with all cooktops. Cons: the glossy gray exterior may show smudges, oven safe temperature limited to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Value or money. Priced competitively, the Ninja NeverStick Comort-Grip 10-piece cookware set offers exceptional value. Its long-lasting durability and versatile design make it a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. User testimonials. Many users rave about the Ninja NeverStick cookware's durability and ease of use. Here are a few highlights. The NeverStick technology is revolutionary. After months of use, my pans look and perform like new. The silicone handles are a game changer. I no longer worry about burning my hands while cooking. Final verdict. This Ninja Pots and Pans Set Non-Stick Comort-Grip 10-piece cookware set lives up to its reputation as a durable, versatile, and user-friendly kitchen essential. Its innovative Neverstick technology, combined with thought-out design elements like comort-grip handles and even heat distribution, makes it a must-have for both novice and experienced cooks. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen essentials or looking for a get, this cookware set offers unbeatable value and performance. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.